An undersea power cable between Finland and Estonia failed on Wednesday, raising concerns over potential sabotage. While Finland's prime minister assured electricity supplies remain unaffected, authorities are investigating. The outage follows recent damage to telecom cables in the Baltic Sea, with suspicion falling on a Chinese ship. Sweden reported China denied a request to investigate the vessel. European officials suspect sabotage linked to Russia's invasion of Ukraine, though the Kremlin dismissed the claims, The Guardian has reported. The incident adds to rising tensions in the Baltic, where multiple infrastructure disruptions have occurred since 2022.